Creator Connections is back, baby. If you are currently an Amazon influencer or used to be an Amazon influencer, there is free money on the table. You just have to pick it up. Let me talk about this for just a couple minutes. This is going to be a quick video today, but I really want to dive into this because the amount of people who are not taking advantage of this is crazy. So there's a software called Viral Vue. The software is, I think, fairly cheap. If you're a smaller creator, 100 videos, it's about $33 a month. And if you're bigger, it's $66 a month. But the reason this is such a no-brainer is because it is going to make you probably double of whatever you're paying per month. Here's how. The software does a lot of things. I'm actually going to hit two things. I was only going to talk about the Creator Connections portion, but there is another piece that's just too good not to talk about, and I didn't talk about it in the other review. So, quick pause. I've actually done two separate review videos on this product already. One is there's a link in the description that takes you to this page. It's a full walkthrough of the software. I did a second one more recently where I kind of explored the features. And if you decide to purchase by coming to this page and click on that link, you do get all of my bonuses 100% for free. They're crazy good. I go over them in that video. So that's just a little quick call out. What we want to do with this software, it didn't pull up for me, of course, because it would never work correctly in a video. There we go. There's two things. One, your videos that you've already done as an Amazon influencer should be making you money with Creator Connections. So when I was doing this every single day, it was doing about $150 a day or about $150 a month. That was just free extra money just because I would wake up in the morning and let me show you this. I know it's a little out of sight right now. Okay, I gotta make this smaller. There's an extension, so I'll be clicking it. I know you won't be able to see it. I have an extension bookmarked up here, so all the things that I'll be clicking is from that extension. I know it's just blocked out with this software, but all you have to do is pull up Viral Vue, come to Creator Connections, and then click this button right here. So what this is going to do, it's going to take every influencer video you've ever made, and it's going to add it to Creator Connections. Now, if you're not familiar with Creator Connections, these are basically campaigns that brands run to get more traffic to their products, to incentivize people like you to promote their content. And in exchange, it's a higher commission rate, right? So instead of like 2-3% like you normally get, you get 10%, 12%, 10%, 15, 20% on these items, which is going to make you a lot more money, which is why you want your videos to be linked to these campaigns. So you're going to click accept, you're going to click accept, accept, and start. When you click start, it is going to run through all of your videos and it is going to automatically attach them to these campaigns that are running. I'm going to stop it because I've already ran mine today, and it's not good to scroll because Amazon could. Anyways, if you have it running, don't go scroll through Amazon at the same time because Amazon could be like, why are you scrolling so much? Because it's reading both of them. Not super complicated. So that's number one. Every day, literally just come in here for 5 seconds, click accept related campaigns, submit those campaigns, and then all the videos you've ever made are going to make 5, 10, 15, 20% commissions instead of the 2 to 3. That's number one. It's going to be a game changer. Free money that you're just throwing away right now. There's other things you can do. The software does a lot of stuff like helping you find profitable products. It's going to help you scan through your entire order history and find the best opportunities. It's going to identify, which one is this under? I think this is under Creator Hub. It identifies ones where there's no longer a product tagged because the product was deleted or whatever. So you can go in and reattach a new ASIN. But the one that I like maybe as much as anything, first the Creator Connections, but then also the ability to come in and reach out to brands and get free products. I've gotten thousands of dollars of free products from Viral Vue doing this. I forgot to talk about this in the last review I did, which is really a shame. But all you have to do, open up Product View, and then over here is the viral score. So this is the most likely to perform the best if you were to make a review video about it, right? So you have a template up here. You can edit the template and then select 1, 2, 3. And then this template that you've edited, I don't want to show you exactly what mine says because it's unique. I'm going to click send message, and then automatically these 3 brands are going to get a message from me asking to promote their product, and the way it identifies the product is based on the ASIN. So the ASIN is like a fixed thing. So that's really cool. What I always like to do is come over here to price, and instead of sorting by viral score, I like to sort by price because I want to ask these people who are selling like $700 items, like, hey, let me promote your product for free in exchange for a sample. And I've actually gotten a few stuff like this, really cool Yeti products. So again, every day, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna make sure everything's attached to the new campaigns that have come out with creator connections. And I'm going to ask brands like, hey, are you looking for people to promote your product? Here's a really good opportunity. Here's my storefront. Here's how much money we've made. Here's a YouTube channel. Maybe if you have that, we can promote it there as well. All in exchange for just sending us a free copy of the product. So do those two things. It's free money. It's a lot of free stuff too. That's very, very cool. I got an awesome dog toy that my dog is like obsessed with now. So I was a really big fan of that one, but I've gotten a lot of cool stuff. I've even gotten a recliner. I've gotten portable TVs before. I've gotten desks. I've gotten weight benches. I've gotten so much stuff doing this. It's wild what's out there. So if that's the only two things you did is creator connections and asked brands for free stuff and reviewed it for them, you would rake in some money. And it really just rejuvenates what used to be a great program with the Amazon Influencer Program. It's still a great opportunity. It's just harder, and you have to be strategic. So this is going to help you do that. Make sure to use the link in the description. Pick up the software. It'll take you to this page. If you want to see the review, you can. And I also talk about the bonuses in that video. And then click this button right here. That's going to take you directly to the sales page. Complete the purchase. Email me at info@jakethornhill.com so I can make sure you get your awesome free bonuses, which are just going to help you make more money, because at the end of the day, I know it's what you're really here for. Hope this was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon in the next video.